Welcome. In this video I will show you how to connect a controller to your Alienware Aurora 16 laptop. So if you have a DualSense controller like this one, you have to first put it in the pairing mode by holding down PlayStation and Create button at the same time. Keep holding them together until the lights of your controller start flashing rapidly, and then on your laptop you have to navigate down to the taskbar, click on these three icons, then click the arrow key next to Bluetooth and click on your DualSense controller. To unpair it, go to More Bluetooth Settings, click the three-dot icon in the top right corner of your controller and select Remove Device. Now, in case of the Xbox controller, things look a bit different. So your Xbox controller has the interactive key right here in the middle, and if you click on it, you'll turn on your pad, and then you're gonna have to hold down the pairing button, which is located approximately in this spot. So just hold it down until the lights start flashing on your controller, and then you will either see the notification on your laptop, which you have to click to connect to your device, or you can just go through the very same steps by going to your Bluetooth, available Bluetooth devices, selecting your controller and connecting to it. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.